This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering everything: the exported MP4, a clear 1280 x 720 thumbnail, and your title plus description. Sign in to YouTube Studio. Once signed in, click Create Upload Video to begin. This step matters because correct formats prevent processing delays, and a prepared thumbnail boosts click-through rate. Make sure to choose the right visibility setting now: public, unlisted, or scheduled, so you don't accidentally publish too soon. Once done, the upload dialog appears and file transfer begins automatically. You now focus on details that drive discovery and watch time. Enter a concise title and a description with the strongest hook in the first 125 characters. This helps search snippets and social shares. Upload subtitle SRTs and add timestamp chapters to aid navigation. These improve retention and accessibility. Choose the correct audience setting and category because YouTube uses them for recommendations. Once these fields are complete, inspect the thumbnail and preview. Make sure visuals match the title so viewers aren't misled. You finish by choosing visibility and scheduling or publishing immediately. Set end screens and cards to drive the next action. Review monetization, copyright checks, and age restrictions because flags delay or block publication. Once you hit publish or schedule, monitor processing and analytics in YouTube Studio. If processing stalls, retry by re-exporting with a lower bitrate or different encoder, then re-upload. This fixes codec mismatches and corrupt frames. Keep one troubleshooting tip handy: if thumbnails won't update, clear cache or use a different browser to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.